In fact, now some attorneys will use these reports for medical case coordination, but far and away, attorneys use these reports as part of their settlement demand letters. And of course, the feedback we're getting over the years is that by including these reports in the settlement demand, that attorneys are in fact settling their cases for better value, less attorney time.
And then we jump into ongoing medical problems, and then we tackle each medical problem individually. So in this woman, you're going to see low back pain, you're going to see hip pain, shoulder pain. And then we include verbatim notes from her treating doctors. We include a phone interview that we conduct with our attorney's client, with Ms. Johnson in this case. We relate that and create the narrative of her ongoing issues and functional losses. And then we, like I said, build in the verbatim notes. We include peer-reviewed literature where relevant. I'm going to show you guys exactly the papers that I included in this one. And then we offer a kind of our opinion as to the causation, the mechanism of injury, and ultimately what the functional losses are. And then we estimate what future medical care would look like, what it may entail, and what the cost of that future medical care would be. And we include it, and we have a graph at the end.
Right. So in every case, obviously what we're going to do first is talk with the attorney, right? And then we will review the medical records. Then in every case, we always interview your client, typically by phone or by Zoom meeting. Then we'll do whatever medical research that we need to do. That puts us in a position to write the report. And I think it's important to say that then because we have this 30,000 foot view, which we're not just looking at one piece of the elephant, but the entire case, then we will render our own medical opinions with regard to what are the injuries, what are the symptoms, and so forth. And as Mike said, also talk about causation, mechanism of injury, functional loss, and so forth. So go ahead.
Yeah, and I hope that our audience, if this format does or doesn't work for you, please let us know in the comments, because I feel like running through a specific report, which I'm going to jump into now, really illustrates what potential benefit your specific case could glean from this type of report when it comes time to the settlement demand.